So hello and welcome to Genius Print. Today, as you seen on the thumbnail, that we will take this class of 6, and it is a special math class for all of you. So I will request all those my beloved student, please share this link with your friend and try to join some more student as well. So I am waiting these things for all of you. Please do as fast as possible. This is the end of this year 2021, and from tomorrow it will be 2022. So those who are my student, I will definitely wish a very good things for all of you from God. So please share this link with your friend. Today basically we will start by algebra sections. Okay, so please share this link with your friend. Oh boy, please share this link with your friend. Yes, oh boy, my dear student, good evening, and I am sure that you will definitely join in our classes, because in each and every day you are staying with us, and for that reasons, for this upcoming 2022 I will wish a special happy new year for you, and also for other students also. So please try to share this link with your friend, and definitely join some other student. Today basically I will discuss algebra with part other interesting things also, because this is a happy new year from tomorrow. So today's discussions I'll say that it will be very interesting. So please try to join some other student. Okay, oh boy, I am giving this responsibility to you and also some other student. Okay, so please try to join some other student. Yes, algebra. Okay, so algebra sections I will start now. Okay, so please from 2022 you have to make a complete routine, so that you can follow this entire year by this following this routine. And I will definitely say that if you follow these things, then you can easily score a very good marks. Okay, so for upcoming years you have to fix a complete routine for all of you. This year actually we passed with a very bad experience, and some other things also, and those who are young student, please try to register yourself for this vaccination, because from I think 3rd of January they will start this vaccination. So please try to do these things. So please share this link. Oh boy, there is a very exciting classes, because we are very happy. From tomorrow we will see a complete new year. I am sure from all over India they will celebrate these things, because we actually passed a very you can say very bad times or whatever we actually faced in earlier days. So yes, Rajiv. Those who are very serious student, they will definitely join because they want this type of the classes regularly, like you, Abhay also. Shatto, hello, good evening, Shatto. Yes, like Shatto and Abhay, please all of you have to comment first times whenever you actually joining, okay, so that I can confirm that those who my beloved students we actually have joined with us. Okay, so after commenting these things, I will share this who are actually writing these things, and definitely I will take your names and I will definitely ask some questions. Shatto, happy new year, Shatto. Thank you and same to you. Thank you and same to you, Shatto. Uh, Today, from today, that means tomorrow, from tomorrow we are going to see a complete new year's 2022, and from myself and from our genius print, to you and to your family also a very good, or you can say uh, an exciting happy new year for all of you. Please share share this link with your friend and try to join some more student, so that we can reach maximum student for sending this message for all of you. Okay, so please try to join some more student. Shatto, Abhay, please all of you. See, actually whenever I start any classes, I am giving some very simple questions, so that first of all you can concentrate, okay, and then I am giving some little bit tough and gradually increasing this toughness. So today also I will try to make you understand about this algebra, and then I will give some questions also. Okay, so please fine. Abhay, Shatto, both of you please join this and try to. Yes, okay. So algebra. See, first of all, let me write this. Happy New Year. See, writing these things is too much exciting for me, because we actually passed this complete 2021. Okay, so algebra. See, first of all you have to understand what is algebra, where we can apply it, or what are some advantage disadvantage of this chapters. Okay, is there any kind of applications in our daily life? Then you will actually give some, you can say, patience on these chapters, and after becomes a master from these chapters, you can definitely apply it in your daily life, what is algebra and where we can use it. Okay, so first thing is that suppose you want to multiply two number. Let me first of all tell you where we can apply these chapters. Suppose you want to multiply two number. Suppose 99 into 99, okay, or suppose 99 into 101, then how can you multiply it? By simple traditional way. That is a very simple things, but you can say that 99 into 99, which is equals to, see, 99 into, suppose it is 101, okay. So, you can write 99 as 100 minus 1 and 101 as 100 plus 1, okay. So, see here what I have applied here, 100 minus 1 is also 99, 100 plus 1 is also 101. So, if you want to multiply these two numbers, then in traditional way you have to multiply, but in this algebraic way how can you multiply? See, you can consider it as A, then minus 1 as B, okay, same A plus B. So, A minus B into A plus B. So, there is a shortcut formula which is called A square minus of B square. So, A means what? 100. So, 100 square minus of B means what? 1 square. So, 100 square you can easily do it, because 100 into 100 is equals to 10,000. So, here you can apply 10,000 minus of 1. So, it will gives you how much? 9,999, okay. See, very easy, 9,999, which is 1 less than this 10,000. So, this is actually the practical field where you can apply this algebra, okay. So, this is an introductory part, but those who are very good student, I am sure you have know these things, and those who are very weak, I am seeing these things where we can apply these things, okay. It is a very important or interesting formula. It is actually available in our algebraic section, but before I am starting this kind of formula, or you can say problems, I will discuss some theory about this algebra, okay. So, let me discuss this theory first of all, okay. So, please all of you write on the comment section first of all Happy New Year, and try to share this link. I am sure all of you will do these things. As I already told you that we will definitely take these classes, because from all over India there are so many students who want to take these classes. As I told you that I will take, then definitely I will take. One minute, just a minute. আমি ওই সবসময় দিয়ে দিন তো আইটিআর রুটটা দিয়ে দিন তো ইন্দ্রনগর রুটটা দিয়ে পদ্মনগর দিয়ে ঢুকবেন এদিকে আইলে এটারে ইন্দ্রনগর রাখি ইন্দ্রনগর রুটে ঢুকবেন তো ঢোকার পরে দিকটা দিয়ে একটু আমরা পরে আইটিআর একটু আগে ওই দেখবেন এখানে একটা সঞ্জীবনী মেডিকেল হল আছে ওটা দোকান এটা দিয়ে ডান দিয়ে ঢুকে দেবেন গা আমি নেটে দিয়ে না জিনেস প্রিন্ট নামে একটা জায়গা আছে জানো জিনেস প্রিন্ট আছে একটা টিকি জায়গাতে করবেন লোকেশনটা আছে জিনেস প্রিন্ট একদম এক্সাক্ট পয়েন্ট আমার ঘরের ছাদের উপরে ওকে দাদা হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে so I am very sorry, important call was actually came, and for that reason so we have to pause these things, so I am very sorry for that. An important call was came, okay. So yes, boy, advance, very good. I will take this advance, then give these questions. First of all, write on the comment section from which classes you are actually, okay. From which classes you are belonging to. Abhay is from which classes, and Shotto is from which classes, and some other student also seeing this video, and all of you write on the comment section from which classes you are belonging to, okay. Okay, please write in the comment section, and before that things I am actually writing these things. Okay, so first of all, so arithmetic is means what? You have to understand what is arithmetic, then what is geometry, then algebra, etc. So arithmetic are those things which are basically related to our Indian, you can say, mathematical process. For example, ratio and proportions, banking. Okay, these things are very applicable. Arithmetic, we can represent these things without taking any variable. Okay, so these kind of problems are actually under this arithmetic. And geometry are those parts which are basically drawing in our land or in our copy. Actually, in first of all, geometry was discovered for drawing this different land area. Okay, so these are actually geometry. And algebra, I already told you that are this part which are actually calculative, are taking by choosing different variables, or you can say this is an imaginary part, but which are applicable in our different sector. Okay, so I will request all of you, please share this link first of all for joining some more student. Okay, so these are algebra. Okay, so arithmetic, geometry, algebra, these are separate things. So for class 6 level, you have to start very in a very see, it is an 11.1 chapters. Okay, 11.1 exercise 11.1. So in that chapter they actually first started with different math sticks. Okay, so using this math sticks you have to make some pattern. So first of all, we will solve this kind of pattern and then give some advanced questions. Okay, these are buffering, I think, or lag behinding. Is there any problem? Please write on the comment section. Is there any problem? I don't know, actually it is buffering, I think. So please all of you write in the comment sections, is there any laggings or buffering? Okay, so first thing is that okay, so some patterns you have to use. Okay, so they told us to find the different pattern used in this different mastics letters. Okay, suppose number 1 questions was T. So for writing this T, see here one mastix I have applied here and another mastix suppose I have applied here. Okay, one mastix, here is another mastix. Okay, so how many mastics we have applied? 2 mastics. So for that letters you have to use a common formula, or you can say a common process. Okay, so you have to use a patterns for this is 2n. Okay, so 2 means how many mastix you have used, and n means alphabet like this, then what you will use for that particular letters. N means what? You can say mastics, and how much mastics? 2 mastics. Okay, so if you use, suppose you can draw, suppose U. Okay, so it is 1 mastix, 2 mastics, third mastix. So how many mastics I have used here? 3 mastics I have used here. Okay, so you can use here 3n. Understood or not? Please write in the comment section first of all. Okay, so number 1 question was write the pattern for this T. So for making this T I have used 2 mastics, and for that reason it is 2, and mastics means you can say how many T you have done here, 1, so it is n. So you can replace these things with n and number of mastics with 2. Okay, so it will be 2n. For suppose if there is question number B is Z. Okay, so mastics I have used here. So what will be the answer? 3n. you can definitely or easily say these things, because 3 mastics I have used here and only for this mastics. Okay. So, like this R, S, etc. So, for S there is suppose 1 mastix, 2 mastix, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it will be how much? 5n. Understood or not? These are some patterns actually drawn first of all. So, how they are related to algebra? See, here I have used the variables, or later you can say it is called variable. Okay, it is called variable, and here 2 is called the constant, because you will not able to change 2 as 3, because 2 is 2 is not 3, but if you want to replace this n by 1, 2, 3 whatever you can change. Okay, so it is called variable. So, by adding these variables with mathematical part, it will be considered as algebra. In that case actually you can say these things are algebraic formula or multiplications. Okay. Yes. So, now question number 2, 2 says that, it is question number 1. Okay. If you have any kind of confusions, you can write in the comment sections. I will request all of you, please write in the comment section. So, number 2 question says that we already know that it is not necessary for that letter C, F, etc. Let us move to the question number 3. 2 is not very important. Question number 3, cadets are marching in a parade. Some cadets, you can say soldier like or army like someone are marching in a parade, in a particular parade they are marching. Okay, so there are 5 cadets. How many cadets are there? 5 cadets are there in a row. In a single row there are 5 cadets. Okay, in marching. So, what is the rule? Sorry, what is the rule which gives the number of cadets, gives the number of rows? Okay. So, use n for the number of rows. Suppose they told me n for the number of rows. Okay, number of row, n is the number of row, and how many row there? There are 5 cadets in a row. That means in each and every row there is 5 cadets. So, suppose in one row there is 5 cadets, in 2 row there will be 10 cadets, in 3 row there will be 15 cadets, and so on. So, for n rows, for n number of rows, how many cadets will be there? N into 5, which is equals to 5n. So, what is the answer for these questions? Is 5n. Understood or not? Please write in the comment section first of all, understood or not? Those who have joined actually, please try to share this link and please join some more student. Okay, so I have done here question number 3. So, now let us move on to the question number 4. Question number 4 says that if there are 50 mangoes in a box, question number 4, suppose in a box there are, if there are 50 mangoes in a box, 50 mangoes in one box. Okay, mangoes in one. Okay, how will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of the boxes? They use alphabet B for boxes. Suppose there is B number of box. How many box? So, in one box they stored 50 mangoes. Okay, 50 mangoes in one box. In 2 box how many will be? 2 into 50. In 3 box how many? 3 into 50. So, you need not to write these things. For making you understand, I actually writing these things. So, like that way, suppose in B number of box how many mangoes they can store. So, B into 50. For 2 into 50, like that way. For B number of box there will be B into 50. So, which is equals to 50 B, okay, 50 B mangoes. So, how will you write these things? You can write these things or in statement wise you have to write, in statement wise you have to write. So, let me write this statement, okay. First of all, write in one box 50 mangoes, okay. So, in B box there will be 50 into B mangoes, which is equals to 50 mangoes, okay. How much? 50 mangoes, okay. So, how many mangoes? 50 mangoes, 50 B mangoes.